I thought I was gonna be ready, but then my neighbor knocked on my door and I was like, oh, I gotta go. My neighbor, she comes down every now and then. One of my neighbors, and she's leaving to go back to Jersey today. So, um, but yeah, I see, I gotta go. I got a call that I gotta be on like in 30 seconds. I'm glad I set the most of this up beforehand. Hold on.
Good morning, team. Good morning, Chef Yarnizi. It's Bodega. I'm checking in from NYP.
What's up, Bodega? Morning. Where this thing going this morning, y'all? Where y'all think this thing going this morning? Hold on. Let me before I get too ahead of myself, we about to open this thing up with some prayer. Does anybody feel the movement to pray for the community this morning, to throw something out? Anybody?
Let's go. I got you.
Man, let's do it, Harry Kane.
All right, let's pray. Father, we love you. We thank you. We bless you for this day that we've never seen before. God, we ask that you touch our minds, touch our hearts, and we ask that you will cause this chart to make sense to us today. I thank you for the family. I thank you for Chef. I thank you for everybody that's on the call. Father, this is a mission to change our trajectory. So, Father, we ask you to give us the discipline needed to do this, give us the mindset needed to do this, and give us the wisdom to handle all the blessings that are going to come from it. We thank you and we
Mm.
praise you now. In
Hey,
Jesus' name, amen.
amen, amen. I
Amen.
like that.
Amen, amen. Thank
I
you.
like that, Harry King. Appreciate you, man. I like
Let's
that.
go.
Had the wisdom to be able to handle all the things that's going to come our way. Watch yourself, boy. That's going to come as a result of this. Woo. I like that. Oh man, my cousins asked me what did I put on my avocado toast that I made for them when they came. Y'all know I do a crab avocado toast. So I made the crab avocado toast for my cousin when they came, man. And he was eating his wife's all up in her plate.
Music is a little loud today, Chef.
All right, hold on. I can barely hear it on my end, so that's odd. So hold on one second. Let's see where the thing open
Yeah,
file
just
here.
you. We can hear it
Yeah, I got
loudly
you.
to you.
I got you, but I can't do anything yet. Because it was taking too long to come up. All right, how's that?
It's better.
It's better. All right, cool. There we go. I promise you, I don't know why I can barely hear it on my end though. This is odd. Like it's so low on my end, I could barely hear anything. Is this the instrumental version? It's winning season, ladies and gentlemen. If you know.
Yes, it is, and that's not instrumental. I received that.
No, no, not that one. I know that's not instrumental. I got to hear the words to this one. Cannot lose. All right. Okay. I just saw your text too. So it looks like, um, based on what we're seeing, where do you think the market is going today? Just based on what you've looked at. I already know y'all have looked at your chart. So, uh, where do you think the market is going based on what you've seen today? Anybody?
Well, it's pretty much sold all night, all in session. It's only said it's buying.
You're gonna say it's buying. Okay. Anybody else?
Today is the bottom, which I would say it needs to drop some.
Hurry up, baby. It ain't
Okay.
over.
Somebody needs to mute if you're
Not
not saying what I just asked. Who was that? Tiara? Yep, Jared. I think it's gonna sell. That's me personally. I think it's gonna sell. Um, so we're going to prepare. Let me make sure this is my instrumental. Give me a second. We're going to prepare for some sale action. Let me show you where we are. Okay, so is this? No, this is not instrumental. Okay, give me a second. Right there. Okay, Return of the Bob. That one. That's the one I want. All right. So after the doji, what did we get right here? After this doji, what did we get?
We got a flat top,
And what followed that flat top?
another flat top,
And what followed that flat top?
a flat top.
Okay, so if this thing remains a flat top, we're going to be in, and it didn't. It didn't. It pulled back. So we're in what now? We're not in a series. What are we in?
Consolidation.
Consolidation. That's got to be tie. What's up, boy?
Top of the morning, Chef.
Man, oh man, oh man. So we cool. Um, we cool right now. Let me see. LA, I gotta figure out how to get on in. I want to start getting on in Rich or either BFST on the lives. I gotta figure that part out from my StreamYard side.
Oh yeah, I have to set you up to do it, but you can't do it through StreamYard. Um
Oh,
you can't do it anymore in groups, only on pages.
so you
So
have
you
to do
have
it
to
in
go
Zoom?
live in the group.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, I mean it's just a monopoly. They just want you to
Okay.
use their software and not somebody else's.
Okay.
Happy what is today? Thursday. Happy
Thursday.
Thursday, everyone. Let's catch these pips and let's catch this steal all the way down Doodoo Brown to 2452.
Yep. Huh. And remember yesterday we were talking, like I was at 2463.01. Remember that, right? And it hit yesterday and went down to 59 or something crazy. Um, so all of these, oh, and that lady in the dress that you said, Dana, yeah, that was that one, and it did go to that lady, and it went to the next lady after that. I thought that was pretty cool. So I caught some of that sale yesterday, but today we're ranging. Notice we're not getting any type of series yet. Two flats and then blah blah blah, another flat and then blah blah blah. All right. So no series yet. It's playing us, right? It's in a zone of consolidation right now. And that's because let's check everything real quick. Futures, boom. All right. So gold is slightly green, which means it could buy. Um Forex factory news. We already had 8:30 news on employment claims, which US 30 did well off of that news. If you look at US 30, it dropped and it's still dropping. Looks like it wants to. Oh man. Oh yes, US 30 should be dropping all the way down. That looks like a perfect arch coming up, guys, to 40,855. So we may be able to get some US 30 money today. Add alert right there. Actually, I want the alert before that, though. I want the alert like right here. So when it drops down close to the 50, we'll be able to at least take it to the 50. All right, now, and then NAS, for you NAS lovers, it probably bought up. Yes. So NAS and US 30 are going back in their opposite track mode, right? One is going up while the other is going down. So NAS, because US 30 has the capacity to go down, NAS can come all the way back up here. But I have a dilemma with NAS. NAS is so close to the 800 EMA. I believe NAS is going to reverse and come back down and hit that EMA. So I'm going to keep my eyes open on NAS as well. Gold just gave us another doji behind the doji. So we're looking for a flat top to come. This will be your first flat, possibly, so you can catch a one move sale Let's see if okay, there's your flat top. Okay, flat top. Who caught it? Anybody jump in on that flat top?
I did. I'm in. Good morning.
Good
I'm in on
morning.
that.
Good morning. Okay. Um, yeah, that was a nice flat top. I am operating. I'm operating in my live futures account and my forex account today. Okay, live futures and forex today. So it's going to be fun. Oh man, y'all caught a real good one. If you caught that sale, hold on one second. All right, give me one second. I gotta do one of my screens just went half half. All right, give me one second. I gotta swap this. Y'all should be in the sale. You should be good. Let me know when you hit. All right. So we should be back to our screen. Good.
I hit.
All right. Who else? You guys should have hit already.
Hit. Yes. For a point.
All right. All right. Cool. Got it. We got a second flat. All right. Let's look for a third to appear. We are low in the RSI. I'm looking for one more flat. Right now, it hasn't given me more than two after a doji. So let's see what happens here. If you are in a trade, um, which that should have hit for you. See, there it is. So that's a third no. That's not going to be a flat. There we go. So it has not given a series yet, even though it's selling. Right when I go to the higher time frame, the 15-minute gave me a flat top. So what I want to happen is this 15-minute candle, the next 14 minutes, I needed to come down 2460.34 to believe it's still going to be in a full sale momentum because this will be the second flat top that is given after this doji. So doji flat top, double wick candle, another flat top. If this passes like the other ones did, then we're in good shape for more sale. And then let's find some ladies to see if we have any. Let me go to the 5 minute. Ladies. Dana, did you find any ladies already? I know you probably did. Uh,
Yes, we're very close to one now at 2463-ish.
okay. I got one at 2451.97, 91, excuse me. So I got a big lady down there off the five. You off the one, Dana?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I see there are like several down there where you were referencing.
Yeah. Yeah, there's several. Let me go off the 1 minute and let me scooch over. Let me scooch on over here. Uh, oh, okay, yeah. We got few. For my new folks, ladies in the dress are nothing but dojis. Um, I gave that. If you look at any of my live videos, you hear me talking about what a lady in the dress is. So here's one. Okay, let me make this. Let's do some lines for the ladies. We're gonna do horizontal rays for the ladies. So we got, if I can get it right, we got one. Golly, let me drop it here, and then we got another one here, and another one here. All right. So we're looking for price to go down to take care of those women's in the dresses. Man, if I can get to where I was, nah, that was way over there, huh? All right. Is it 9:30 yet? Nope, almost. I got to look at some stocks. Also, guys, I've been looking at copper. Copper moves. Copper moves very nicely, and it's how's the word? It moves fluid. Okay, it copper doesn't do a lot of yanking your neck. If copper's look at this for example, so it did a little bit of consolidation, sold. So when it's going in that direction of my EMAs, it goes, and it went all the way to the 4 hour uh, chart. So now it's trading off the day chart, and it's going to drop to 42.2831. And if it runs all the way down, it'll complete this whole crown, man. That's gonna be crazy. So I'm going to watch copper for the community as another angle to trade with. So first lady in the dress just got hit. We got two more. Okay, two more. All right, there's a flat top. Let's see if it passes that next wick, and then we can possibly catch some some movement down yonder. Let me catch this right here. See if we're gonna catch the sale. After it passes that line, guys, I'm catching it to the next green or whatever color it is on your chart. I'm catching it to that next level right here because it looks like it's just going after the ladies now. So I'm waiting patiently for to see if this particular flat top will go in that direction and if it's going to remain a flat top. Very important to know that. If it does not, we know it's going back and forth, but the overall move right now, in my opinion, is a sale, no matter what it is. So it got that lady already. That was the first lady it got. It conquered, right? Now we got another
Hey,
one
Chef,
coming
can
up.
you do a analysis on the day chart? I
Yeah.
was thinking about that this morning, and I think that's something we used to do all the time, and we need to get back to it so
Yep.
that people are not getting trapped in trade.
Okay.
Just
Yeah.
making sure that we look at the day chart for the overall analysis of that momentum.
Yep.
Okay,
So we have 7 hours, 7.5 hours left in this one candle on the day chart. Well, it's a flat bottom. So it's in pullback right now, and it could pull back before it shoots up. Now, if it does start to buy up, then we know that it's going above this next wick because it's climbing. But look how high it is in RSI on the day chart, right? Day chart has it at the highest peak it made was 80s was 79.28. So we look at the day chart. Let me get this off here for a minute. We look at the day chart so we can get an idea of where it's going for the day, right? And so far, it's made nothing but a series of flat bottoms for a buy. Look at this. After it left this little double wick, it went three double wick doji, and then it went flat bottom all the way. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. If this particular flat bottom pushes up, it's going to follow the same theory of my nine, where it's going to give us nine flat bottoms, possibly, right? So, looking to see where this thing will go after 7 hours from now. Um, but if you look at the zone that's in, it's not a huge zone. Even on the day chart, that's not that big. So we're talking 2453 all the way to 2485. That's the zone from the day chart. How did I get that? Because I don't want it to go below the flat bottom and create a double wick. So if it does, we're talking going from 2445 below and then a possible reversal after that to come down and get out of the black in the RSI. But remember, the day chart can ride up here for a while. Okay, the day chart can ride up here for a while. Now, let's look at patterns of the day chart. All right, day chart does just like any other chart, but the day chart does these huge patterns. So watch this one. We had a doji and then a ride up. We had four flat bottom candles. The fifth was a red, like we on right now. The sixth candle was that reversal. So that's why I'm preparing now because we're oversold in the market. Excuse me, overbought in the market. US 30 is coming down. Hold on one second. I'll come back. US 30 is coming down. Let's look at selling US 30. Yep. Let's look at selling US 30. Let me go to the 1 minute real quick. No, we're not selling US 30. Oh, no, not yet. No, she is super low in the RSI. I don't, I'll wait. We'll catch this move on US 30, not that one. So we'll catch her off the 5 minute from 037 to 887. So we're talking about 50 points on US 30 for the drop. I guess I got too many alerts going on. Okay, no problem. I'll wait for one to go off. Okay, so back to gold. So off the day chart, notice its pattern, right? It has a pattern. And we're in that same scenario right now. So that's one of the reasons why we're looking for gold to sell is because of this pattern that is in off the day chart, right? So in 7 hours, I'm actually looking for a candle to drop just like this one did here below this wick, below that red wick. So if we see that, let's look for it to drop. Okay, so I'm in a sell mindset for gold overall because that 7 hours left on that candle is still red. Even though it's a flat bottom, it is red. Okay, so you can check back in a couple hours to see if the colors change. But if it remains a red, more than likely it will sell off. And from our uh, Monday box strategy off of levels. Now, remember, I was looking for it to go double or even half the distance of the box after, which was 24.95. It never left the Monday box line off the 15-minute chart. I wanted a candle. Remember, I kept saying I need a candle to be a flat bottom. I needed a flat bottom. Blah, blah, blah. It never gave me a flat bottom. So I was like, okay, it's going to sell. So check this out. 19 points, guys, was right back down in between here. From red to blue was 19 points. From blue to green is another 19 points. So when I see if this sucker does drop and open and close below here and it has room in the RSI, I'm looking for it to drop down to 24.39 back to the bottom of the Monday box by tomorrow if it's going to continue to sell. Okay. And that's going to give us a crown completion also in here. All right. Because it did not open and close above my measurement of the Monday box, right? It didn't open and close above the measurement of the Monday box. So now that we are in this sale momentum, right? I'm looking for it to drop to the blue line to 24.58. That's my first indicator of a possible sell. The problem we're having is look at the RSI. So we needed to at least come back to the halfway point to 70, somewhere about 69, 70 in the RSI right here before that yellow line. We needed to come back, to be oversold. I mean, overbought. We needed to overbuy in the RSI again just to see if it's going to make enough room to sell all the way down. Does that make sense? I mean, we're so low in the RSI, I don't think we're going to drop to the green line where we are currently. I believe we have to pull back or do a reversal to come back down. Okay, does that make sense? Anybody get lost on that?
That makes sense. Got it.
All
That
Got
right.
it.
makes sense.
Okay. So now we're waiting on a SERA to happen at some point. With all these pluses and stuff, with all the plus symbols beneath us, what do we need this to do in order to believe it to sell? Well, first of all, what color are we? What color's on top? Let's go there. What color's on top?
Yellow.
Yellow's on top. Okay. But what else do we need to see to believe it for more sell action right here? What do we need to see? Series, a series, but I got something blocking me. What is this blue thing blocking me?
The parabolic star.
Parabolic SAR. That's the proper name. I'm calling them pluses because that's what they look like, but they are parabolic SAR. I need the parabolic SAR to get moved out the way. It didn't happen. See that? So we can't be confident in any movement right now because look at all these wicks, man. I'm on the 1 minute. What is this called? What the hell they call this?
A
Children of the
miss.
corn.
Children of the corn, man. We don't trade on them children. We don't do that. We don't do that. It's too many. There's too many. The cornfields. If you leave out of my place, there's a cornfield right across the street. There's too many. Okay, I see too much corn in my future. Mm. So until this thing gives us something worth trading, we cool. We cool on you, Gold. Gold will do this. Gold did this to us yesterday, but y'all know why it's doing it today? Anybody?
Is it reversing for the end of the week?
Kind of, but it's a reason why it's giving us non-consistency right now.
Because it's overbought.
How about this?
News.
News. All right, and we're about to get bail. All right, bail is in 20 seconds. Looks like it's going to buy up at the bail possibly, but I'm not counting on anything. It is. Let me see. Is that a cross? Looks like it's the baby cross happening right here. Purple maybe on top. It is a first flat bottom after the doji, so it might buy up for a candle or a few. Let me go back here. Nope, it did not. Wait, it's doing it. It's going to give us what? What is this going to give us? What is it quickly? What is it going to give us before it happens? What's it going to give us?
Flat top.
Doji.
Doji,
Doji.
doji,
Doji.
doji. Yes. Why?
Because it's a red and a flat, flat and flat inside.
Yes. Flat and flat. Can't have it. Can't have it. We can't have a flat with a flat if it's a different color. Can't have it. So it had to make that doji right there. It had no choice. Had no choice. It had a choice, but it chose to do what it was supposed to do, which was make a doji. Now it's going to give us a direction to travel. Let's see what's going on with 30. Nothing. Nas. Go to the 1 minute. Okay, so I remember I said Nas is probably going to sell again, right? So Nas is going to do that. US 30 should be buying again. Okay, you should be doing that. Let me look at Rivian real quick because that's one of the stocks we hold. I'm looking for Rivian to push up to the red line or close to it, or at least to the doji to complete the lady in the red dress today. I'm looking for Rivian to go up over $1 today. All right, next we got a flat top. All right, flat top. Just hold tight. Hold tight.
Chef, didn't you say something about a black candle?
Yeah, do we have a
Something
black?
with a black candle with a double wick.
Yeah,
In
a
one
black
minute.
candle with a double. Look. So guess what? You know what this means?
Doesn't it have to go back and try to
Yep,
body it?
yep. Now I'm glad you said that. Oh my God, Kim, you be listening, girl. You be listening. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so look, Kim, what you're saying is on point. Look, that is 6 points. It's only 6 points away. It ain't like it's somewhere. Okay, 6 points away. That black wick has to be covered. Now let's go back. Let's go back. Give me a second here. Let's go back to here. Kim, now since you're on that level, what did I say gold has to do in order to sell back down?
Break through the plus.
Well, it did that, but remember I was talking about
You gotta
being
break
so.
through the Monday
Hold on 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let's go back here to the
That
15 minute.
RSI needs to
Yes,
like look like
talk to me.
halfway
Talk
around.
to me.
that. Yes.
Talk to me about the RSI. What's the problem?
Is low on the 15 minute, but that 6 point move could potentially put us where we need to be to reset for the drop.
God, Moses. Yes, sir. So look, watch this on the 15-minute chart. Look at where 68 is. It ain't nowhere, y'all. It's right here. It's at the look. It's at the lady. and a dress on top of that. So guess what? Price reverses. We're looking for it to go back, get the lady, and then sell down. Because look, the 15-minute chart, we ain't even on a decent candle. We on a doji. We on a double wick. That ain't decent. That's no that's telling us we're going both ways. It's selling right now, fine. I got you. But it's telling us it's going both ways because that can't be. We can't have a doji. There ain't no direction. We can't have a double wick candle right now. There's no direction. And it's oversold. So yeah, we might have a series starting, which is cool because I already said it's going to 2458.25. It's got to go there, right? It's got to go there because that's a level of what?
It's a support.
Support. So get ready. One, two, three. That's three flats, y'all. That's the first set of three flat tops it's given us. Here's number four. Now this is the crazy candle. Y'all already know LA's theory on that fourth candle. But if it passes this week, I'm taking her down to the blue line. Taking her down. She got to go. So I'm waiting patiently to see. Let me see, 2458.25. Let's see what I got marked over here. 2458.25. All right, let me mark that. Let me mark that real quick so we know where we are. 2458. Here we come. That's good enough. Oh, my lines came back. Okay, I don't need it. Delete. All right, cool. So look, it hit that second lady in the dress. We got a third coming. So let's let this pass, and then we are. All right, here we go. New candle. Flat top. Let's go. Let's go. Push down. If number five pushes, y'all, we in it. We in it to win it. If number five pushes and stays a flat top, we're in it to win it. You gotta wait. You gotta be patient. Because y'all know number five is super tricky after number four doesn't pass. See that? See that? Be anxious for what?
Nothing.
Nothing, man.
Nothing.
Nada. Now I
Nada.
know we're in a momentum. We are in a momentum. I know this. I got this. We're in a momentum. But that right there, ladies and gentlemen, LA couldn't have called this thing no better, no better than she did. She said that fourth candle, watch out. And number five is treacherous. Now here we come. Now number six, if this pushes, number six is gonna be our candle. Oh yeah, here we go. Number six, get ready for a sale, y'all. Right? Flat top. Let's go.
Order
Number
filled.
number six. Reason why I want number six is number six actually number five passed everything. Number six should pass number five and go right to our support to take care of that last lady. So I'm looking for number six to push and hit this green line right here. Come on. Come on, do your magic. Do your magic. Go on down there. All right, number seven then. God dog it. Number seven, do it. Do it for okay, number six
Order
did it.
filled.
Hello. Come on, y'all. Who hit? Who hit?
I hit.
Come on, people. Come on. Did you hear order field? Did you hear it?
I hit. Can I get them screenshots though? I hit. Let's go. And this thing is getting ready to drop in real life.
LA. LA. We can't make this stuff up, man. So what we're gonna have is some pullback now, right? If this thing turns red, just be cool. Be cool. If she turns red, we're gonna get, let me see, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. We're gonna get eight and nine if she turns red. If my price action is below this body, we're still gonna get a red flat. If not, we're gonna get a flat bottom. Be cool. Be cool. Flat bottom possibly coming or a double wick. Be cool. Uh-huh. See that? See that? So be cool. Why? Look at our RSI. Again, we're low. Doesn't mean too much right now because we're in a momentum, but we're low as all get out in the RSI. I had pushed back into my blue area. So now I'm waiting for a reversal. I'm waiting for this to either double wick. Let me see. All right, now I can move my lady in the dress line and I'm gonna change her color just for y'all. Watch this. Now I don't want her to pass that yellow. Okay, let me move this one out the way. Don't need you. And we want to keep you because we have a zone. So I don't want her to pass this yellow line. Why do I want it not to pass my yellow line and open and close above my yellow line? Why do I not want that to happen?
This is gonna start buying and
Mm-hmm.
start buying, yes.
Mm-hmm. See what it's doing? This is how it. This is how you get played, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you get played. You're like, oh man, I'm in this sale, I'm in this buy, whatever, and then that flat top right there says, okay, well, let her pass me then. Let her pass. This is where you be cool. This is where you practice your patience right here. This is where your patience comes in. Hold on one second. This is the commander in chief, Karen May. Hold on. Hold on. Hello, mother. What you call me for then? I'm on my live call anyway, Carrie. Okay, I will. She ain't hear what I said. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll make sure. But I'm on my call right now, Carrie. Can I get back to my call?
All right, we got a
Amen.
flat top coming in.
All right. That's Commander in Chief, Carrie May, Mama. All right. So okay, talk to me, people. What happened? Talk to me. What happened?
We got a flat and then we got a doji right after to reset.
Okay. All right, but be cool. It ain't pushed down enough yet. All right, but what is it doing, Merlan? It's under what? What is it under?
Your yellow line.
Under that yellow line, baby. So we cool. Just be cool. Don't believe the hype yet. We need to see what before we can believe the hype.
Beginning of a series.
Uh-huh, at least. Give me another flat top and I'll believe her. See, she ain't even passed this wick. So we're gonna get some foolishness. See that? Come on, y'all. You better learn today. You better learn today. See that? That's why you don't make a move. Don't get it twisted. She didn't pass that wick. She gotta pass that wick. When we make a doji, guys, all right, watch this. When you make a doji, this flat has to pass this wick. Has to. It ain't no question. Then you can say, okay, second flat. Third flat is risky sometimes. But first and second, after this one passes this wick, first and second are almost typical. Almost typical. Thank God we're in the sell momentum, right? Thank God we're in the sell momentum. But this hasn't passed my yellow yet. I'm still cool on any movement. What is it doing right now? What is this called?
Consolidating.
Consolidating. But watch this. Look what it's doing. Now it's opening above my yellow line. We're going to get a flat. Okay. It's straddled the fence. I still don't believe it yet. It's straddled the fence. What do I mean by straddling the fence?
It didn't open and close above your yellow line. It's on the
Absolutely.
yellow line.
Absolutely. It's in between it. So anything is possible right now. Anything's possible. That's why we chilling. We cool. Matter of fact, where my song at? I need that song. I need I'm cool. Stay cool. Where stay cool at? Stay cool. Where you at? Stay cool. I just need stay cool. All right, so where we at? 16 seconds. Okay, 16 seconds. So in 16 seconds, we're gonna see what the real deal is. All right. Now look what happened. It opened above my yellow line, but it's red. So it's going to do what? Possibly. It's already did it. What did it do?
Doji or Doji.
Doji. Now I'm waiting on it to straddle my line. I'm waiting on it to straddle the fence. I'm waiting on it to straddle the fence. Go ahead and straddle the fence. You know you want to. Go ahead and straddle the fence. Come on. Come on. 30 seconds to straddle the fence. You got 30 whole seconds. 30 whole seconds. 20 now. 15. Let's see what happens. We are at 9:43. We're going to get a new 15-minute in 2 minutes and 1 minute. It didn't straddle, but it doji and it's red. We can get a flat top right here. Ooh, no, we get a top wick. So we should get a double. Uh, going down now. Uh-huh. There go the double. Now you straddle my fence. Go ahead and straddle my fence. You were supposed to do that on the count of it foul. Don't disrespect us.
Finviz changed from hunter green to black now.
Oh, I like it. All right, let's look at it, shall we?
Day chart on future. Look at day chart on Wolf Rush.
All right, day chart on Wolf Rush right here. Day chart. Toodle-too. Toodles. Toodles. Oh, okay.
Hi.
I already did. Okay, there. Oh, wow. 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 Did it do it or did it do it? Man, I can't make this stuff up, y'all. I can't make it up.
Just so that we clear, if you guys don't know what a reverse looks like.
Wow. 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 That was nice. That was on the day chart off of Wolf. Okay. Oh, that's nice right there. So if
First time seeing that.
really,
Yes, sir.
wow.
On a daily, yeah.
So what we have here, look at all this right here, man. We had a beautiful series. Now we got our first doji out of the series. And now you got to wait to see what that's going to be once the day chart is exhausted, once it's finished. So, like I said, what did I say? It can go either way right now. We can go both ways because it didn't give us anything solid on this candle. See that 1 hour? That 1 hour gave us some foolery. Now, if we get a flat top in 13 minutes, y'all already know what time it is. We get that flat top, baby. We go into this doji right here. We possibly can go all the way to that doji 2431. That's why I've been looking for it to go all day loud. All day. All right, let's see how it hit above my yellow line. Let's see what he did. So this one opened above my yellow line. So now it looks like we're gonna get that push-up action here.
Black candle on the 5 minute.
Black on the 5. Let's go to levels. I mean, hold on, give me 1 second. Let's see if this flat top comes real quick. It should be a flat top following this flat because this one did his job. See that? So here we go. Let's talk doji, flat top, past the doji, price action stayed above the body, and then boom, flat bottom, boom. Okay. Now it looks like it wants to go back to an area called 60 what, y'all? What's the number? Holler at me. What number? 60 what? Oh man, y'all sleeping on me. 60 what, people? Ay, 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 ay. Caramba, where is my life?
Is it
Folks,
2364?
no. All
I'm
right.
sorry, 67.
Almost. You close.
Uh,
68.
Thank you. 68. You remember I said that earlier? Y'all be sleeping, man. Y'all be sleeping. Y'all be sleeping. Okay. Y'all be sleeping. Y'all be sleeping and stuff. Ain't nobody got time for your napping and stuff. I told you because it was too low in the one on the 15-minute chart. Huh?
Too low in the RSI.
Too low on our side. And we had to because guess what? We had a black on the 1 hour, remember? Remember? And we got a black here, so it's got to come back to us again. Wow, this is amazing. So let's find that first. Let's find that black candle real quick. Let's find that one black candle that we talked about. Okay, let's find her. Okay, this black dozy right here. Let me mark it because y'all don't believe fat meat is greasy, and fat meat is greasy. Okay, we're gonna mark her. Okay, 24, 83, 81. That's that black candle. Wow. Are my numbers different? 62, 61. They ain't that bad off. I didn't even see that one earlier. That's a higher one. Wow. Ooh, she got to come back up there. Well, for now, is this one? Is this doji? I gotta find what chart was I on, y'all? Was it the 15-minute where we saw that black?
The
Nope.
1 minute.
Was it? Oh, it was the one? Yep, it sure was. Right there. There she is. Have you seen her? Boom, ding. Tell me, have you seen her? Right there.
So
That's
yesterday, when I was trading, my candle showed up on the hour chart. Then I looked at that
I lost you, Jake, from State
basic
Farm.
reversing thing that you were showing, and it ruined it.
That sound like you running. What you doing, man?
Killed me. That happened. No big.
Yeah, I don't. Jake, you broke up so bad. I didn't know what you said, bruh. I heard you got ruined or something like that. Don't know what else you said though. All right, yellow line gone. Don't need her. Oh, but wait. Oh, but wait. Let's analyze this while we're looking. So remember, I had three green lines, all symbolizing what?
Oh, I got the freaking wrong one.
The lady in the was it the
Yes,
green
yes,
line were they not like lady in dresses?
yes. They were. They were. Hold on one second. Let me let live land. Goodbye, guys. Love ya. Please like, share, and subscribe, and get ready to join the winning team. Come on over to this side so you can be on the winning side, on the rest of the side. Holly boy.